Democratic politics say that you can't treat our workers with disrespect and you can't bully them into an agreement. You can't treat them with disrespect and you can't bully them into an agreement. Many of the complaints we are getting, Madam Speaker, from the outstanding groups are not just about issues of what they are going to be paid. It is not just what they are going to be paid. There are issues of equity, there are issues of fairness, and there are issues about the basis on which they have been reclassified. It is important that the legitimate issues that have been raised by these workers are treated in a way where there are thorough explanations, where there is effective consultation, where there is respectful communication, and where there is humility in listening to the concerns of the workers and helping them to understand the changes. I will tell you, even though you may have spoken to unions, I am telling you, I don't think every single union necessarily understood and necessarily was in a position to explain some of these changes properly to the workers. So you have workers now who are only finding out effectively what these changes mean to them. Many of them, they weren't aware. They're only finding out now. And they feel, Minister, that they are being pressured to meet this March 31 deadline. And they feel that if you bully them, they are going to stand up. They are going to say it's not fair. They are going to say, take the time and explain what these changes mean to me. So the issues are not solely around money. Yes, there are people who want more money, absolutely. But people want to be treated with a certain level of respect in how the process works. To those workers who are fighting for their rights, ask the questions that you have. Seek the answers. Minister or public servants want to go far, but they don't want to go fast. And the only way we can go is if we all go there together. And I believe we can get there together. We can get there together. The teachers have worked tirelessly, and they are the ones responsible for the future of Jamaica. Every one of us who sits in this house can give examples of the profound impact that teachers have had on our lives. Profound to the point where it has probably changed our own lives.